Hello, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Hicks, and the goal of this channel is to explain to you what YouTube is and help you get subscribers and eventually get monetized. But today, for this video, we're going to be going over what YouTube is. YouTube is a social media trading platform that you can share videos on, such as vlogs or other bios of yourself or anything. You can promote products, you can promote your website, you can just put daily videos of yourself on YouTube. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google. You're going to want to type in YouTube. Which, I mean, you're already on YouTube. But while on YouTube, one cool thing to know is that if you ever want to go to the YouTube homepage, all you have to do is go up and click on the YouTube box. It's already got a hyperlink built into the GIF here. You can just hit YouTube. It takes you straight to your homepage. If you're signed in, it's going to show you all of the videos that are relative to you in YouTube's algorithm. It also has a bar here at the top. It's going to show you the top categories that people are searching or people are into. It's got live. So all these videos are live now. People who are broadcasting live. We can just go through the top here. It's got music. It's got the latest music videos that are popped up and the top of the charts. Like Rob Thomas, Can't Help Me Now. The mixes tab. Looks like it's a mix between all types of musics. Stocks. That's a big one nowadays. Under the stocks tab, looks like it has Kramer from Mad Money, a lot of stock market news, where the stocks are going, probably a lot about crypto. Yep, the 5 best crypto altcoins, just the latest information on all stocks. The sales tab. Looks like things that are on sale. General things from Amazon to food to other items. Looks like Elon Musk pops up number 6 as the number 6 most searched. He's pretty popular now, especially with Dogecoin. Number 7, they have mining. Now, I'm sure all these are tuned to my YouTube algorithm. So just right here in this top bar under the search tab, it's going to have all these tabs of things that you're interested in. At the very end, it's got your watched videos. It's got your recently uploaded videos, which looks like recently uploaded is all of the YouTube channel. Video editing software, security hackers, etc. Now I'm going to click on home. Clicking on home button and just clicking on the YouTube icon seems to do the exact same thing and take you back to the main YouTube channel. We're going to go through Explore tab. We can go to things that are trending, music, gaming, news, movies and shows, fashion and beauty, learning, other live episodes, and sports. Scroll down here. A whole list of videos there. You can go to your subscription tabs. This is going to be the individuals that you are subscribed to. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my channel and give me a thumbs up to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Now, For subscriptions, you should be able to scroll up and scroll down. If you scroll down here over in your left tab, you can actually go to the subscriptions tab. These are the channels that you are subscribed to. When you subscribe to someone's channel, every time that they do upload a video, you can turn notifications on and off. And anytime you go to your YouTube homepage, anything that they uploaded will more than likely pop up here. The ones that you're subscribed to are the ones that are going to kind of be in this area. And that's just a basic understanding of YouTube and the home, explore, and subscriptions tab, as well as the YouTube icon for 2021. So don't forget to check out the rest of my videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.